Let's print some documents. Open the document that you need. Click on the file at the top left corner of the window. Choose Print from the list. The first option is Copies. Here you can set how many copies of the document you want to be printed. You can use arrows to change the number, or you can just type the number in. The big Print button, you guessed it, prints the document. Click on it when you're ready to print the document. Next option is Printer. If you have more than one printer, you can choose the printer that you need from the list. Next option lets you choose if you want to print all pages or if you want to print specific pages. Next up is one-sided print or two-sided print. You can choose the option that you need from the dropout list. Collated option lets you choose if you want to separate the printed copies or not. The orientation option will let you choose the print orientation. It can be portrait or landscape. In the option under orientation, you can choose the paper size from the dropout list. Choose the size of the paper that you use to print the document. Margins option will help you to position everything in the document so it would print nicely.